Today on Impossibly Kosher, we're going to make the most incredible of steaks, the Tomahawk. Today's video is brought to you by the Kosher King, with the incredible 2.5-inch Tomahawk steak sponsored by koshermeatstoyou.com. Check out their links in the description below. Starting off, on a cooling rack, we're going to generously salt the steak with kosher salt on both sides, then pat them in. Keep in mind that kosher meat is inherently salty, so try not to oversalt it. This is going to go in the fridge uncovered for 24 hours and will allow the salt to penetrate deep into the meat, which will lead to each bite being packed with flavor. After 24 hours, your steak is going to look like this. You can see the texture is already slightly different, and the color is a darker shade of red. The salt penetrates deep into the meat and absorbs some of that liquid, giving it a meatier taste and leaving it overall more flavorful. With a beautiful piece of meat like this, we want the meat to shine, so we're going to keep it simple by only seasoning it with freshly ground black pepper and garlic powder, of course on both sides. Then pat it down to get it to stick properly. To make sure it's cooked perfectly, we're going to use our handy leave-in thermometer and make sure it goes all the way to the center. Set your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit and put the steak inside. We're going to be using the reverse sear method, which means first it goes in the oven, then, once cooked, we're going to sear it to finish it off. You're going to let it cook until the internal temperature hits 125 for rare or 130 for medium rare. Once it hits that temp, get it out of the oven. It should look something like this. Now, it's ready to be seared. In a large pan, set your heat to high. As soon as the pan is hot, add in your oil. Make sure you're using a high smoke point oil like grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Once very hot, add in your steak. You should hear that incredible sizzling sound right away. We're going to sear it for about 1 minute per side, just to get a nice color. You may need to move it around a bit to make sure the full surface gets a good sear. While you're waiting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that bell to get notified of more videos like this one. And flip. Careful, it's heavy. Wow, check out that incredible sear and color. You can tell it's going to taste incredible. Once that minute is done, get a light sear on the sides as well. Then get it out of the pan and leave it for 10 minutes to rest in order to let the juices redistribute throughout the steak instead of ending up on your plate. I know, it looks incredible, and all you want to do is cut into it and start eating, but trust me, it's worth the wait. That is just perfect. Perfectly cooked from corner to corner and insanely juicy. This is one of the benefits of using the reverse sear. You get a sous vide-like cook from corner to corner. Okay, that looks too good. Just gonna taste a small piece. Wow, that's phenomenal. And there you have it. The most incredible Tomahawk steak right here on Impossibly Kosher. Like that video? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and check out some of our other awesome videos.